Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Rish here. I'm doing my primary O2 sensor, bank 1, sensor 1. From the top right here has the connection going down to where the headers are. Yeah, so I'm trying to get it disconnected right now. Yeah, it's basically just disconnecting this plug, which is right on top right here. Sensor right there, that connector. See it right there. This is a blue one, just look for the blue wire, which is connected right there. This sensor, then it goes underneath to the header, which you just gotta jack it up. So when you're under here, what I did was, you just gotta get a 22 mil, get some pressure, maybe use your other hand and pull against this for some like extra pressure leverage on the angle. So you see it's untightened. I got it cracked. There's a little on there, so but yeah. For O2 sensors, try to go as OEM as possible. Maybe Bosch, like expensive ones, NTK. With these, you don't want to fuck around really. Because if you guys watch my knock sensor video, I bought a Napa one for like 70 bucks, put it in. It was good for like 2 days, then it just started knocking, misfiring like crazy, even worse than before. Returned it, got an OEM one, and it was good to go. Let's get this thing out. Oh, yeah, it looks kind of shot. What y'all think? I don't know, maybe. Maybe, I don't know what's good on my car. Voila, look at that, guys. Woo! Alright. Here we are. Got this one connected. You just kind of have to pinch it on both sides, pull out the other one, and it just kind of like pops out. I was struggling for a minute, just kind of get the angle. For the best angle to get, you have to wrap your arm around here, lean up against it, and go like this so you could have both arms. Because my big ass hands, I can't fit like, you know, in that little thing. So you gotta be like bear hug. Put it up in the air. We're just gonna go as we go. Alright guys, hopefully the lighting is decent for you, but what we have here, there was this connected up, this one was right here, so you're just gonna, it just clips in, like you just press it out, it's really nothing, just kind of fits in right there, slots, undo that, you come here, then you're gonna have to do this one. I think this is a 22 millimeter. See how it goes. I don't know if you need that special socket or not for this one, if you have aftermarket header, maybe for OEM, but let's see. Shimmy your way out of there. I mean, this is literally as simple as it can get. Like, you just need the basic things, which I don't have the basic things, so I came to the shop and I was using like the jack and jack stands, but I just didn't have a 22 millimeter. But I'm buying tools, you can see. You know, I got my little box. This is some sort of Loctite type of thing that you put on the threading. We're just gonna throw it on because it came with it. May eat a little bit. It looks good. It looks kind of glitterish. So make sure when you're putting it back on and tightening it, don't get the wires all twisted. Like, don't twist it all up. If you're like doing it, try to, you know, rotate the wire with it so it doesn't get all twisted up, and you might mess up the connections. So, tightening it. But when you're doing it, make sure you're rotating this like around, cause so it doesn't like get all tangled up. And it's really as simple as that, honestly, guys. Get this tightened. So yeah, I'm assuming people say you need that angled socket, wrench, whatever, with the OEM one, because there's like heat shield here and stuff. You're not able to access it or like fit it. But, you know, since I have aftermarket, you literally could just get a 22 millimeter and it just comes right out. Retarded. Alright, got that tight. Fully in there. It's in there. And this one comes in like so. It's hard to work with my left hand since it's not my primary. Alright. The connections are on the little clamps. Then just go back from up top and connect it. Guys, so if you've been liking my videos, and you know, we're over 100 videos now, we reached 735 subscribers, like we're growing, trying to get monetized. So if you can help your boy out, Rish, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Make sure, just run it up, and we're just growing, making a movement, spreading the love, support. It goes both ways, guys. So show some love, I show love back. I did my primary O2 sensor, bank 1, sensor 1, and I'd say it's a lot easier than the sensor 2 that's connected to your test pipe or cap, because you have to go like from underneath the seat or whatever. I'll put the link in the description if you want to go see that video, because it's part of another O2 sensor. So it's another DIY video, and this is a DIY. So do it yourself. 22mm wrench, you need a jack, some jack stands, and that's it. Try to go with OEM type brand, Denso, with like any type of electrical or like fuel or air type of things. Like, you don't want to around with that, because I made mistakes and it should just messes up in like 2 days, or just gets worse. This is the old one. Looking a little dry up there. May need some lotion or something. Need some milk. Make sure you guys subscribe. Let's grow, man. Trying to get monetized. We out here. Rich.